Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to learn how to open a screen flow in Salesforce directly from a button by passing URL parameters like record ID and custom messages. Let's jump right in. First, we will show the flow that we have created. In this flow, we have added two resource variables. On the left panel, you can see we have added our message and record ID variables. Here, keep the name of the API name as same as the variable that you intend to use in your URL parameters. And check the box for available for input and choose your data type as intended. And go to your screen flow, and here I have added a display text element and I have used my resource variables as defined before. Now click on done and save and activate your flow. Now go to your account object and click on buttons and create a new button. Here you can see I have already created a button. As for the button details, for display type choose detail page button, and for the content source you should choose URL, and in the text area here you should paste the flow URL. To get the flow URL, go to your flows and choose view details and version. In here, you can copy the URL details and paste it in the text area inside your flows. Now, just like adding URL parameters in JavaScript, add your URL parameters in here too. Use the resource variable name that you used in your flows here and pass the data as intended. Here, I'm using record ID and message variable names, and the value I'm passing for the record ID is the ID of our account record, and the value for message would be hello world. Now, save your button, and now it's time to add this button into our record for our account object. To do so, go to your accounts and click on edit page. Now click on the highlights panel and search for your button name. Click on add action and type in open, and you can see our button coming. Now click on done and save and activate your version. Go to your account object and choose any account record, and here you can see our button is available. Click on it and you can see our data is displayed correctly. So this is how you can use screen flow and pass variables or values using URL parameters. If you have any questions, please write it down in the comments. See you.